So this is important. Do you know the difference between a safe device or a fire hazard? Could be something as small as a tiny little mark on it. We're here at the Intertech booth. I'm talking with Derek briefly about product testing and safety. We've seen so many products reaching the marketplace currently on Amazon and different ways that you're purchasing these uncertified products, and that can be dangerous. What does certification mean, and why is it important to the consumer?
Yeah, it's a great question. So safety certification is really about a manufacturer submitting a product to a laboratory to do third-party testing, and we'll test it to a standard that everybody would have to meet. And if it passes, then it could put a certification mark on the product, whether it's an ETL mark or one of the other competitors of ours that are out there. And it's not really just about Amazon, it's any store, right? Some could be online, but it could be any store. And you want to feel safe about the products that you're buying. So we'll do that independent testing. We have no skin in the game with the manufacturer. We're completely independent, but all of these products really should have a safety certification mark on there to show that it's not a fire hazard. It's not going to be a shock hazard when you plug it in. It's not going to overheat. So that's really what it's about, making better products and keeping people safe.
So basically everything that we see here uses electricity. And when we use electricity, I think people don't really realize it's basically fuel. It's like it's flowing through the lines, and that can be a hazard. We're trusting that you have a team of smart scientists and engineers that have figured out how to properly test these products, right?
Absolutely, and they're industry standards. So we've got brilliant engineers that do this, but overall, the industry and the associations, they've been doing this for decades, and they try to keep up with the latest innovations. So the standards are always improving, and that way, you can keep up with it. There's a third edition, a fourth edition, a fifth edition of something, so you can always keep up with whatever that product requires to be tested for safety.
So what can people do to check that their product is certified?
Great question. So if you go into a retail store, you can find the box. If it's a hair dryer or if you're looking for a dishwasher or whatever it may be, turn the box around or look for an ETL mark or a similar safety certification mark. If you're buying from an online retailer, look to see if it says that there is a certification on there, either an NRTL, which is an OSHA nationally recognized testing laboratory, or something that says safety certified. So look for that ETL mark is what we usually say.
Thank you. That is very helpful information, very important information. Make sure that you're buying certified products, and we can all stay a bit safer out there.